What is up, Vault Dwellers? Welcome back to the channel. We are riding PCH today. I just wanted to ride some canyons, and Topanga Canyon to PCH is the only route that I know by memory because it's a straight shot without having to use a GPS or listen to it or anything. I haven't charged my Cena in a while, so it died. But I do have my phone mount, so... But I mean, it's a straight shot. I shouldn't be getting confused or lost or anything like that. So this Easter Sunday that just passed, we went on a hike in Malibu and Sinai Falls. It was listed as easy on all trails with, I think it was like a 400 to 600 feet elevation, something like that. So supposedly that there's 3 waterfalls in this area. We only saw 2, and right now the season right now the waterfall is a little dry. It's still trickling down and stuff, very nice, but it's not as, there's other seasons that you could go where it will be more impressive. Now all trails list this as easy, however at the very end, last about mile or so, you have to, it's like a uphill climb. There's ropes set up on poles and trees, but you definitely should have hiking shoes. You can do it with like running shoes, but I don't advise against that. Some of us didn't finish the hike because they didn't have hiking shoes, and it was like all dirt and gravel at the end. So I had Mojo with me. I had told Eddie, go ahead and then come back down and let me know if this is doable with Mojo. And so I waited about 10-15 minutes, and just Eddie was not coming back. And I checked all trails. I was recording our hike, and it was barely like the very tip end of the hike. And I'm the type of person that if I don't finish my hikes, if I don't summit, if I don't get to the end of it, I don't feel accomplished. So I said screw it, put Mojo back on my back, and went by myself with him. And I am so glad that I did it. What is up, guys? Basically made it. Dude, look at my hands, I'm dirty, I'm sweating. I hear it. Mojo is here. Not sure how he's looking, but we did this thing. Hold on. Did it. We did it, guys. We made it. Que paso, bitch?
Hey, dude, I was just talking about it. Eddie kept wanting to go back for you. Yeah, I'm gonna go up there right now.
It was an awesome hike. I definitely recommend it. But I also recommend having hiking shoes, trekking poles, and gloves. This is a hike you should definitely wear gloves on because you're using ropes, and it would be easier to, you know, go up and down, not get rope burn. Mojo's a little trooper. He was all tired after. It was really cute. He wore his goggles that I had practiced with them. He didn't have the lens on them. And once we got to the end part before climbing that last mile, I took the goggles off. I didn't want him to have them on so long because that was the first longer, you know, thing that we had done with him having those on. So took them off and then climbed up there with him, and I'm glad I did. Eddie's cousin was like coming down from that little waterfall when I was, you know, getting there, and Eddie had a chance to take the GoPro up there. I didn't go up because everyone else was waiting. I would have liked to, but then there was also other people waiting and stuff, so but I'm glad I went. It was really nice. Yeah.
rainbow light that's hitting us.
Made it down to the pier. Lovely. I did it nicely into the correct lane. Alrighty. Finally, ladies and germs. Okay, now we can go back home. What I was saying is that I wish I was taller for these bunking bars because I have an issue with my knee to where it would be very useful if I could actually use these. But too short for them, unfortunately. Alrighty, bye bye Santa Monica, you were nice. Like that guy, see? Didn't even realize that I was there, that guy. But had I been going faster, that could have easily been an accident. So that's why you go slow when you lane split, because you never know, bruh. You know what I'm saying? Pasadena, Santa Ana. I f***ing have no clue, guys. Oh my god. Everyone's going this way, so it makes me think it's that way. Uh-oh. It probably is. Traffic is telling me otherwise. I probably should have gone that way. Okay. Alrighty. Downtown. No! Alright, we need to get off on the next fucking exit. But I do this to myself. Okay. I'm just gonna have to get out. I'm gonna have to get out. I have no clue where I am, where I'm going, where the freeway is. Damn it, dude. Okay. Get out right here, and then we're gonna GPS the This is downtown, guys, and this is exactly why we don't drive downtown. It's crazy over here.